Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, my forehead look real greasy right now, but anyways, y'all, it's your girl Nautica and welcome back to my channel. Don't mind my hair right now, y'all. I just did it. I literally just braided my hair. It was a wash day today. I actually just posted that video, so if you haven't gone seen that video, my wash day video, make sure you go check that out. I'm gonna leave it right here. Click it. Okay. So anyways, today guys, I'm making a vegan lasagna. It's gonna be spinach mushroom lasagna from scratch, and I'm making it from this book. I'm gonna show you right now. I'm using this cookbook called Cravings Made Vegan, 50 plant-based recipes for your comfort food favorites, and I'm making a meaty lasagna. So these are all my ingredients. I got some more stuff, but basically it says right now, it says pour the soy, basically like the fake meat, into a large bowl and add the boiling water, liquid smoke, half tablespoons or 1/4 teaspoon salt, paprika, garlic powder, blah. Okay, whatever, y'all. I'm really gonna go with the flow with this, but yeah. Okay, so put the peeled carrots, onion, and garlic in the food processor chop. So I'm gonna do that first. I'm gonna cut the carrots up, the onions up, and the garlic up, and I'm gonna put it in the blender. So that's my first step, y'all. So I got the organic carrots, y'all, from Whole Foods. So I'm about to just get 3 of these, rinse these off, and chop them up. Okay guys, so I cut up the onions. I actually added some basil, and I have the carrots, and I have the garlic cloves. So I'm gonna put this in my blender since I don't have a food processor, and blend it all up. I just added a few more basil leaves on top. Okay guys, so I have this water boiling. I'm about to just put the lasagna in. Then I'm about to start cooking this. I got this at Whole Foods for $4. It's Smart Ground Plant-Based Crumbles, and it's in the refrigerated section. So yeah, I'm gonna try it. And this has 11 grams of protein, so yay for protein. Okay, this is how the grounded stuff came out, and I put all these seasonings on it. I'll show you all the seasonings. I'll leave it in the description box, but I'm not done. Okay, I'll show y'all. This is what the blended stuff ended up coming up to. So I had to add some water, which I really should have got some vegetable broth. I had to add some water to blend it since I don't have a food processor, but I'm gonna add this to the meat, and then I'm gonna add also the organic like this stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna add this tomato stuff to that as well, and I'm actually about to get another pan and cook the mushrooms and spinach. Yeah, this is what it looks like as I'm mixing the meat, fake meat, with the tomato sauce and the carrot and onion and garlic souffle. So I'm gonna like stir this up and let this sit here, and I got my mushrooms, and I'm about to cut my spinach. Got some seasonings in there. The water almost in. I'm about to put the lasagna in here now because the water is boiling. We're gonna cook this pasta for 11 minutes. 11, start, and there we go. And then I got the spinach in here. Mix this on up with the mushrooms. Sorry, y'all, I can't get the camera straight. Let that simmer down in there. And then we got the stuff right here just sitting. It's all gonna be good, y'all. It's gonna be good. Okay, let's re-add all of these seasonings to the mix, and then yes, I'll see you guys in a bit. And then we're gonna bake it all up. I'm gonna make the cheese next. The bay leaf in here as it's sitting. Oops. One bay leaf in there. Yum. I'm gonna submerge it. This is the lasagna sauce, y'all. It's so good. You got mushrooms, spinach, and then meat stuff. Yum, yum, yum. I'm gonna use this vegan butter made with hint of olive oil. Alright, I'm gonna add a little bit of liquid smoke to this. I forgot to add it. And I bought this, like, this was a part of the ingredients. Just add a little tiny bit. Add some seasonings to the butter. I'm gonna leave the ingredients below. Now I need to add some all-purpose flour. $7 at Publix on the clearance. So I'm gonna add some of this. Then I'm gonna add nutritional yeast. Mix it until it looks like a cheesy texture. So let's go, y'all. So I made the cheese sauce. This is how it's looking. You kind of have to play it by ear. The nutritional yeast and the flour. and the seasonings and the butter, however much you want. Y'all, I don't use measurements normally, so I can't even tell y'all how much stuff this is. I kind of just play by ear, so I might add a little bit more flour to nutritional yeast just to make it a little more cheesier. But this is kind of how it's looking. I'm about to, there we go. So here's the noodles. I'm about to go ahead and lay them out and start adding in this and then adding in the meat sauce. So y'all, I just coat the bottom of the pan with a little bit of all-purpose flour and some oil. Just kind of mix that in there. And I'm gonna put my first layer of lasagna on here. Okay, y'all, I got my first layer down. Now I'm about to add the sauce on top. And then when I add the sauce on top, I mix the next layer on. Just like a cake kind of like. This is the first layer. Now I'm about to add the next layer on top. Yum, yum, yum. Next layer, I kind of doubled it a little bit more. Now I'm about to put the rest of the stuff on. Yay. All right, y'all, this is the last layer, and I'm gonna add the cheese on top. So guys, the lasagna is in there, baking with cheese on top. I had to put that pan under it because it started overflowing. Because I low-key think I put way too much stuff in this pan. I don't think it's deep enough for all the stuff I put in there. Like, I really stuffed this pan. But it got a few more minutes. I took it off a little bit because it was overflowing. But it got about like 13 more minutes. And then I might broil it a little bit to make it a little brown on top. And it's gonna be done. Oh my gosh, y'all. So I totally forgot I was vlogging, y'all. I had called my friend. I was on the phone chit-chatting and ate my meal while talking to her. Y'all, so okay, this food is literally, the lasagna is bomb, y'all. Like, bomb. I want to keep eating, but I'm like, Nautica, you gotta stop eating this food. Like, I've already had two servings of it, y'all. It's so good. It's so good. But it's really good. Alright, I'm done eating. I gotta put it out. But I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Hold on, let me finish chewing. Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. That lasagna is so bomb. So I hope y'all try it. Just, you know, trust your instincts when putting the seasonings on. Because I'm telling y'all, I don't do the tablespoons. I'll put the tablespoons in the description box. But talking about that stuff, y'all, you know, feel it in your heart, in your soul. You know, make sure it tastes good. You want it seasoned well. You know what I'm saying? Okay, y'all. But anyways, y'all have a lovely night, good morning, whenever time y'all watch this. I hope you're just having a great time and continue to have a great time. So I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace out.